Hi friends. I am Caesar from PS Tutelar. Let me show you some weird tricks about brush tool. One of them is mixer brush. Let's get started. Pick mixer brush tool. Choose any brush of your choice. You know default colors are set to black and white. Let me change foreground color to red. And choose blue color for background. Make a duplicate layer of background. Let me tell you something. The mixer brush tool allows you to paint more realistically in Photoshop. With the mixer brush you can mix colors together as you paint. So let me paint red color first. Press X to toggle colors. Now foreground color is blue. Paint with blue color on red with mixer brush. Press Alt and click on blue color. Disable layer and create another layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Now, I will paint with mixer brush. And you can see both red and blue colors are blended. You can paint on any angle with mixer brush. It's your choice to paint with mixer brush. You can blend two different color by your choice. Wherever you need two blended colors, you can use. So, this is a trick of mixer brush tool. And you can see two colors are blended. This is a tip or trick I want to share with you. Let's move to next tip of brush tool. Open a document with white color. And press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Pick brush tool. Toggle default black and white colors by pressing X. So white is foreground color now. It is all about blend mode, that is difference. Difference blend mode subtracts pixels of base and blend layers. And the result is the greater brightness value. Well, when you subtract 2 pixels with same value, the result is black. Select difference from mode. You can see color of document is white. And brush color is white as well. But blend mode is difference. Remember, subtract 2 pixels with same value. Result is black. Let me paint and show you, but make value 100% for flow. And opacity is 100% as well. Now you can see the result. Paint with white color on white document. Fill whole document and it looks nice background. Remember, this magic is because of difference blend mode. And I told you about difference blend mode. Disable top layer and make another duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J. And choose another brush. Name of brush is round sketch ballpoint pen. Remember, opacity and flow is 100%. And then start stroking on document with brush. Remember, blend mode is difference. And clicking and you can make beautiful backgrounds. This was first and here is next one. Disable top 2 layer and create another duplicate layer. And choose red as foreground color. Then start painting on document. You will see weird colors on document. But end result is black color. You can see red and black colors on document. So, you can create backgrounds for your images. Keep painting and fill whole document. Press D for default black and white colors. And press X to toggle these colors. So foreground color is set to white. Disable top layer and press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. I am going to select another brush. Name of brush is Kyle Leaves Group. Foreground is white and mode is difference. And start painting on document. You will see another beautiful background. So, you can use this way to create your backgrounds. And you can use them for your images. Remember, document color is white. And foreground color is white as well. But blend mode is difference. We created this background, then this background, and then this background. And this is first one we have created. This is a weird brush tip or trick I want to share with you. And I hope you like these 2 tricks. Let me share another tip with you. Pick brush tool. This is hard round brush with small size. Keep default black and white colors. Mode is normal. Opacity is 100% and keep other setting as it is. Now try to draw a zigzag on document. This zigzag is not smooth. Make smoothing value 100%. Then draw a zigzag on document. Now you can see this zigzag is very smooth. This is another and last trick for brush. I hope you like these tricks. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.